Hello makers! Welcome back to another episode. If this is your first time on the channel, hi! I am a maker passionate about working on software, hardware, and 3D printing projects. If that sounds like your thing, be sure to check out my other projects. Today, I'm excited to share a new Arduino-based project with you. We are going back to the classics and building a Tetris game. In this tutorial, we will cover everything you need: the wiring, the code, and a full gameplay demo. Let's get started. Before we dive in, please like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to support the channel. A few weeks ago, I shared another ESP32 game on YouTube. As an Android game developer, I don't just love playing games, I love creating them. My ultimate goal has always been to build a dedicated handheld game console, something like a DIY PSP. To achieve that, I plan to design a custom PCB, build a game engine, and hopefully create a community where creators can release their own games on this portal. Think big, right? The project. But for now, let's keep it simple. Today, we are turning back time to create a handheld Tetris game using an ESP32 and an ILI9341 TFT display. It's easy to build, requires few components, and is a really enjoyable activity. Components. Here is what I used. Microcontroller, ESP32-S3 development board. Note, you don't strictly need this powerful version. Any ESP32 board will work. Display, ILI9341 TFT display, 320 by 240 resolution. Controls, 4 tactile push buttons. Audio, a passive buzzer. Optional, but adds to the fun. Wiring. Let's move on to the wiring. First, place the ESP32 board on the breadboard. I used only one side to save space. Next, let's connect the TFT display. I'll be using it in portrait mode. VCC to 3.3 volts, GND to GND, CS to GPIO 4, reset to GPIO 9, DC to GPIO 15, MOSI to GPIO 11, SCK to GPIO 12, LED to 3.3 volts, MISO to GPIO 13. Note, we aren't using the touch function, so those pins can remain disconnected. Now for the buttons. Place them from left to right. Change, rotate, down, left, and right. Change button. Pin to GPIO 16, other leg to GND. Down button, pin to GPIO 17, other leg to GND. Left button, pin to GPIO 18, other leg to GND. Right button, pin to GPIO 8, other leg to GND. I used the internal input pull-up method in the code, so no external resistors are needed. Finally, the buzzer. Positive leg to GPIO 14, negative to GND. Now, let's look at the software. The full script is available on my GitHub repository, link in the description. Go ahead, download the project, and open it in the Arduino IDE. If you haven't installed the ESP32 board manager yet, copy the link provided in the description. Go to the link, copied that line. Go to File, Preferences, and paste it into the additional Boards Manager URLs field. Go to Boards Manager, search for ESP32, and install it. Please be patient as it downloads. For the display, I use the TFT ESP library. If you don't have it, go to the Library Manager on the left sidebar, search for TFT ESP, and install it. After installation, navigate to your Documents folder. Documents, Arduino, Libraries, TFT SPI. Find the file named User Setup Select, open it, and make sure the specific setup line for your driver is uncommented, while the others are commented out. Save and close. Next, open the User Setup file. This is where the magic happens. You need to redefine the pin configurations to match our wiring exactly. I have a separate detailed tutorial on how to configure this library on my channel. Check the link below if you get stuck. Back to the game script. You actually don't need to change anything in the main code. However, I've defined several variables at the top so you can easily customize the game settings if you wish. Select your board and port in Tools and hit Upload. As you can see, the game is running perfectly. If you see a white screen, double-check your wiring and the TFT_ESPI configuration files. Let's play. Blocks fall faster when you hold the down button. The first button rotates the block. Left and right buttons slide the block. Every time a block hits the ground, you get a sound effect. Clearing a line earns you 100 points and deletes the row. For every 1,000 points, the game speed increases. It's an endless fun project, and you can even see the next block preview on the right side of the screen. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this project, please like and share this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in the next episode. See you then!
I don't wanna think about you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. You lost what to me. I'm done with you. I'm done with I'm done with you. I can't wait to kick it with you. I just wanna spend the whole night. I can't wait to kick it with you. I just wanna spend the whole night with you. I don't wanna think about you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. You lost what to me. I'm done with you. I'm done with I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. I'm done with you.